Hello everybody, what a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to make this video. I consider it a great honor to speak here. I've been looking for this moment for a long time. First of all, let me introduce something about myself. My name is Huyền Mạnh. I come from Hannan province. It's really beautiful province. Now I'm studying at Egyptian high school, and it's really beautiful school. And um, my name is I love cooking, reading books, especially I love English very much. My English is used to be poor and I felt terrible myself. I have no work, no friends, and no hope for future. Current culture my future, but when I know about English, when I have meaning, I control my future. Mm, so it's time for me to take the way to different English speaking. Today is Ruan. Ruan is always learn English phrases, not into different words. This one was light and the other with the very powerful, and alive the other with the simple. So powerful, so cool. But is rule is always learned in its phrases, not individual words. So phrase is a group of words or whole sentence. For example, once you have the word hate, H-A-T-E, hate, then write down, remember to write down the remember to write down the textbook. Always the school way much better if you learn phrase. So phrase give you a lot of information.